Yeah. Huh? You know I'm running out of patience. Still I'm in between the nigga who go make a panic cause I feel like a vacation. My man send him a location. Someone in the fear, you don't need an invitation. We having a conversation, so the fan base, so we're fucking with the nation. That be why you niggas will be hating, I'm on the paper chasing. The first nigga to do it, I'm so swift, I dodged all the bullet. The same idea we use force to show it. This to be like from day one, I knew it. The return of the Godfather. The boss rapper, you whom you are the Oscar, can you are, you all suffer. Cause men, I'm a chairman, how your delivery go for proper. You are now working with the willest motherfucker, I've been rapping for 1 minute, so I'm used to all the sabotage. Man, that shit is camouflage. They can do the game, I made a lot of cash, but I need more. Cause you know we blow manifest, niggas on the top to the blessing. Time gonna reveal the truth, I ain't stressing, I'm the best to ever do with this. Study with the question, they don't wanna see me great. And that be the impression that they get from all the soft ass rappers. You dealing with top class actors, amateur boys, that be why your punchline suffers. But my suit saw me at me top 5 watches. I'm the willest in the game, no cat. Say me win, I'm a cover with the same old cat. If you niggas they push the game, go back. I say rappers for the kids, but they ain't no fat. Cause even when I'm burning, when I made more stacks, how many rappers they perform when they take more cash? Who they keep it in, we go break door locks from commercial VIP, we they take tall bars. They want me to chill like they got me on ice. I see beat me cheating cause I carry all night. Camerina water than I put it online. But slow you be honest, man, they got me alright. 100,000 on the video clip. Only because I be on my CEO shit. No discount. Nigga gotta feed the whole clique. Somehow my dear did not take a road trip. I'm on my hustle like a stripper on the pole. Oh, girl, gotta keep it on the low. I'm a legend, homie, if you wanna know. At this level, I'm only rapping to keep you on the toe. You only go the crib cause your ass got signed. I be self-made, everything is all mine. The nigga staying broke, but the nigga don't grind. When you're real, to my family, nigga, keep it online. When you do me level, nigga, take it so pure. Cut the bullshit. You already know the real deal. The kind, I know I will cry, you will still kill. My boss, what a pistol, will better pure. Now, some rap will for my be the only weight gainer. Punchline, 55 feet container. I guess you got this cause you need a sustainer. May I get you shoot together like a fucking waist trainer. Many time, man, I gotta keep focus. I'm a beast, only real niggas notice. Tell the fans know the fuck with the nigga over 17 years, lifetime hypnosis, huh?